Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn how to download Facebook app in your Android device. To download Facebook, open Play Store app in your phone. Inside Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Facebook. The app will be displayed in the result. Press on it and then press install. This starts downloading the app on your phone. When it is installed, click on open to browse your Facebook app. If you already have a Facebook account, you can simply log in by typing in your email or phone number and password. If you are new to Facebook, you can create an account easily via the app itself. In this way, you can download and use Facebook app in your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop us a like and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.